Hey, greetings YouTube, performance reviews where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today is just going to be an unboxing and a demo of the Hetty Compact. This is not a review. I would like to point out they support the Canadian Cancer Society, and this is because pneumatics are imported through Canada in the United States, and the rest of North America is distributed through NaceCare, and they support the Cancer Society. So I just want to say why you'll see that sticker on these machines. Let's open her up. Well, we're greeted with a Henry face. And we can see Henry. Hetty's in the background. We can see Hetty's smiling face with the eyelashes. So this is yet a different molded piece. Kind of cool. See the standard 3 accessories. We've got this is their new style straight suction tool. This is switchable between a hard floor and an area rug. The older ones had a metal grounding strip, or I should say the more deluxe models. This still has your double swivel, so that's nice. You have a tapered hose. You get a multi-piece wand. They give you an extra bag. Really appreciate that. And the reason they give you an extra bag is often when you get a new vacuum, you're cleaning up after a broken vacuum. So you might fill the first bag or two prematurely, just cleaning up all that extra dust in your house. So real nice that they do that. Then we have the machine itself. This is everything you get with Hetty. You get a telescoping 3-piece wand set, a crevice tool, an upholstery tool, a large dusting brush, a stub tube, a dusting brush, your switchable floor tool, your tapered hose, which can also be used as a crevice tool with that cut in it, instruction book, a face, and that extra bag we talked about. Now, let's get to assembly of your Hetty. So first thing you're going to do is pull Hetty's head off, and there is your pre-motor filter. Now here in the US, we get a thicker pre-motor filter than they get in Europe. So that's kind of a nice add-on we get here in the United States. They have the Hetty bag has already been installed, but her face is not installed. So let's install the face. I like to just push up. There's 2 tabs there, and all of a sudden, Hetty now looks much friendlier. Let's put the filter on. And then this will index with the back. Snap it on. On the back, there are room for all the accessories, which I think is really thoughtful. Got that guy. Yes, girl. That's a girl. Hetty is a girl. Put all that, and then you can store your wands and so forth on there as well. All that stores right there. So very nice, very compact. On here, the front just screws into the nose. And you can see there's a breast cancer logo up here as well. As far as hose storage goes, it's really easy to store the hose. You just want to wrap it around here, and you can do that if you need it to store more compact. This does add a little bit of stress to the hose. Now, talking about the hose and your wand interaction, this is eccentric, so if you are shorter, you can use it like that. If you're taller, you can use it like so. There is a suction relief right here, which is clearly marked plus and minus. Plus is for more suction, minus is for less suction to bleed suction out. When you're dusting or doing area rugs is when you would want that. Up Henry's skirt is soft rubber wheels and casters that aren't going to scratch or mar your floor. Now, Hetty is a very cute vacuum, but just like Henry, Hetty is a very serious package. Let's see how much suction Hetty gets. So as you can see, Hetty gets around 48 to 50 inches of working vacuum and about 80 inches sealed, which are excellent numbers from a portable vacuum cleaner. I want to talk about using Hetty a little bit because there are some controls here. One is there is an indicator light to show you that it's plugged in. You have your on-off, and then you have a manual cord rewind, which means when you're done, you manually wind up the cord like so. This adds mechanical simplicity. This also means when you pull the cord out, you only have to pull out as much as you need. So really a convenient feature on Hetty. The other thing I'd like to talk about is the hose, because that's a little different. So you either have to have your adapter pipe plugged in for the attachment to work, or you have to have this stub tube. Now this takes a little bit of getting used to, but I much prefer this system because this allows you to connect things in any order, which means if you need to get up high, you can directly connect the wand like so, and then put your stub tube or your piece on like that for cleaning up high. You might notice my voice sounds a little different. We have the studio microphone connected, so you're going to hear the real sound of the machine from about a meter away. As you can see, Hetty is easy on the ears and not particularly loud. Now, are there really any differences between a Henry and a Hetty? Well, a basic red Henry, absolutely not. Between like maybe the pet care and the allergy models and the extra models, yes. But Hetty is basically just Henry in a pretty pink color. Lastly, in case you didn't know, Hetty is designed for hard floors and area rugs. Hetty is not designed to do thick, plush, wall-to-wall carpet, though you can get an extra turbo brush for Hetty if you are doing some medium to low pile wall-to-wall carpet or doing a lot of area rugs. That's also available as a Henry Extra if you can part with Hetty's pink smiling face. I do need to disclose my relationship with Numatic. I have no relationship with Numatic. I do have a NaceCare account, their distributor for North America, and I did order this and pay for this on my own money. No money has exchanged hands for this unboxing or any other review of any of the other Henry products. I want to thank you all for watching my video on this Hetty unboxing. I hope this has answered your questions about Hetty. If you have any other questions about Hetty, type them in the comments below. If you own a Hetty, I'd love to hear from you. If you want to talk about something else vacuum cleaner related, check out the link to our Discord server below, where we talk vacuum cleaners all day long. Also, if you really like what we're doing, check out our Patreon page, which is how we've made this video possible. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.